Ramesh Raja has hit out at Australian cricketers for this particular reason. What is that reason? Well, stay tuned to today's video to find out. Uske baad, Mitchell Starc feels like there's no reason why England will not send a super strong squad for the Ashes. Or sabse ant mein, what is that great decision taken by Team India's T20 side for the upcoming T20 World Cup according to Michael Vaughan? Well, stay tuned to today's video of News Tracker to find out. Hello everybody, I hope you're well and of course keeping safe. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. Welcome to News Tracker. News Tracker is your one-stop destination for the latest news in the world of cricket. But before I begin today's video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Trackers yet, you're definitely missing out on a lot. So go ahead and hit that button quickly. And without wasting any more time, let's begin today's video. Well, the chairman of PCB, Ramesh Raja, has not minced his words when he's talking about Australian cricketers. He feels that Australian cricketers are now happily playing with India, unlike their usual very aggressive approach. He also feels this approach is because of the fact that a lot of Australian cricketers have to save their Indian T20 league contracts. Now, Ramesh Raja had a couple of more things to say about Australian cricketers and their approach when, of course, they're playing with India. What did he say? Well, let's find out. Now, Ramesh said, Australians have changed their DNA because of money. They play against India happily and without aggressive approach. International cricketers have pressure as now they want to save their IPL contracts where they receive a lot of money plus add-ons. Now this of course is Ramesh Raja's viewpoint. What do you all think about this? Do you agree with this? Do you also feel that Australian cricketers' approach towards India has now become less aggressive? Give me your thoughts in the comment section below. Australian player Mitchell Starc has reckoned that there's no reason why England will not send a super strong squad for the Ashes slated to happen towards the end of the year. Now Cricket Australia and ECB have of course been in talks constantly because of the fact that at the end of the day, the quarantine period, bio bubble, all of this has to be discussed in the uncertain period that we're living in. Now, what else did Mitchell Starc have to say about this? Let's find out. Now, Starc said, I can't think that they wouldn't send a super strong team. They might have one or two players with young families or have been on the circuit a fair bit through COVID times and don't want to tour. The Ashes means as much to English cricket as it does to Australia cricket. The England team will have to do nothing different than what they're asking the Australian team to do. Of course, he's talking in context of the fact that the rules will pretty much be the same for both the teams in terms of quarantine or like bio bubble, but at the end of the day, like he pointed out, maybe a couple of young England players have toured quite a bit until of course the Ashes happen. Anyway, you tell me in the comment section below, what are you most excited for the Ashes and who do you think will have the upper edge going into that competition? Give me your thoughts and analysis in the comment section below. Hailed as one of the greatest captains ever and also known as a street smart cricketer, there's no surprises for guessing that I am talking about MS Dhoni. Now, MS Dhoni of course was brought on the Indian T20 side for of course the T20 World Cup as a mentor, and if someone has really praised him and said that this is probably one of the best decisions that the Indian T20 side has taken is Michael Vaughan. He's spoken about the fact that getting Dhoni will mean a lot for Team India, and he's also spoken a little bit about why that will make a difference. What has Vaughan said? Let's find out. Now, Vaughan said, you've got the greatest ever T20 captain, that is Dhoni, and there was a bit of commotion when he was put as the mentor for the T20 World Cup. Why would India want MS Dhoni in that role? It is the greatest decision that the Indian T20 team has made. You need that kind of brain in that dugout. Dhoni is a natural at what he delivers. Now that's one thing that of course stands out in Dhoni's captaincy. You let me know in the comments if you agree with me with the fact that he can take decisions in crunch situations. At the end of the day, it's a high pressure game. We also saw how it really turned things around for the Chennai team in yesterday's match against Bangalore. Do you agree with me or disagree with me? Give me your thoughts and what do you think about Vaughan's comment as well? Let me know in the comments below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Follow all our social media channels, including our Telegram channel, because wahan pe you'll find some amazing fantasy tips for your fantasy teams and also some zabardast match-winning combos. And especially during the Indian T20 League, you wouldn't want to miss out what we have for you. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. But for that, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And until I see you next time, like I always say, take care of yourselves and stay safe. Bye-bye.